Dear learners and colleagues, we'll be continuing solving algebraic equations using factorization in equations of the form a product of vectors equal to z. When we look at our expression 2x squared plus x minus 6, we'll be using coefficient of x squared, which is a 2, multiplying it with a constant, which is minus 6. 2 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 12. Then we'll be looking at factors of minus 12. Minus 1 and 12, minus 2 and 6, minus 3 and 4, 1 and minus 12, 2 and minus 6, 3 and minus 4. Out of all those factors, we are interested in the factors that when you add them, they give you a middle term, which is x or 1. So 4 minus 3 gives you a 1. Therefore, the second step there will be now writing x into a factors of 4 and minus 3, which is 4x minus 3x gives an x. Then we group them into 2x squared plus 4x and minus 3 to minus 6. In other words, into two groups. Then we factorize the first expression of 2x squared plus 4x. When you take out your common factor, which is 2x into x plus 2. The second expression, when you take out minus 3 as a common factor into x plus 2. And look at those two expressions. Which one is what is common? The x plus 2. You take out x plus 2, which is common, and you're left with 2x minus 3. That's how we factorize that one. Like I said, the coefficient of x squared 2 multiplied by minus 6, a constant giving minus 12, and look for those factors that will give minus 12 when you multiply them, and then when you add them, they give you 1 or 1x, your middle term. That's how we factorize that expression. Same approach here. Coefficient of x squared is 12, your constant is 12. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. In other words, you're going to look for factors of 24, but that will also give you 11x when you add them, which is 8x and 3x. Then again, divide them into those groups. You group them into 2x squared plus 8x. You factorize that one, taking out 2x there as a common factor into x plus 4. The second expression, taking out 3, which is common, into x plus 4. Again, once more, look on both expressions. You've got x plus 4. When you take out your x plus 4 into 2x plus 3, that's how you factorize that one. Same here, factors all the way. Factors of 2 is 2 and 1. And then when you divide them into a middle term, 2 and 1, or 1 and 2, 1x plus 2x, and you group them, x squared plus x and 2x plus 2. Factorize the first group, x into x plus 1, second one, 2 into x plus 1. What is common in both expressions? X plus 1. You take x plus 1 into x plus 2, and then x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 2. In other words, minus 2 plus 2 gives you 0. So any multiplied by 0 is 0. X plus 1, where the x is minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Same applies here. One of the two should be equal to 0 or both for the equation statement to be correct. And again, use any method that makes sense to you, that is easy for you to follow, but all the way it's factors now. What are the factors of 2 is 1 and 2, when you add them gives them 3. Therefore, it will be x plus 1, x plus 2 are factors, and those factors, when you add them, give you middle term. X plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. X plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Again, looking at this expression, minus 15, because coefficient is 1, remember that. Minus 15, what are the factors of minus 15? But those factors, when you add them, should give you a middle term. Same thing here. Our coefficient is 1 multiplied by constant is 24. What are the factors of 24? But remember, those factors, when you add them, should give you 11. Therefore, factor of 24 that is 11 is 8 multiply by 3. When you multiply them, you get 24. When you add them, you get 11. Hence, you say x plus 8 into x plus 3. In factorizing, your first x value equals to minus 8, and your second x value equals to minus 3. Same here, factors of minus 15 is minus 5 and 3. But remember, those factors, when you add them, they should give you minus 2. Therefore, minus 5 plus 3 is equals to minus 2. Therefore, x minus 5 into x plus 3. Then your first x value equals to 5, and your second x value equals to minus 3. Thank you very much and good luck. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and you'll also enjoy the quiz that follows.